agenda 111 2 penny etimi trader and a cocoa
out of the 18.
Out of the 18.
What could have been the challenge?
But you know that these are projects that came after the COVID. And a COVID in peaky 2022. So 2-year period, I will go through procurement and everything.
So would you agree, say, Agenda 111 was over-ambitious?
If 24-hour marketing, 261 communities.
No,
I'm not. I it wasn't. It wasn't.
Okay, I don't know.
No, it wasn't.
I didn't know. Because if, for example, Ashanti was saying 18. Don't you think, say, instead of 18, you have 2? And then KBA say you were 10 and now 8. And then you completed that. Don't you think would have helped?
That is what you think. But we wanted every district to have a district hospital.
And you couldn't do.
You see, that is why government is continuous. Yeah, but you know.
Who doesn't know sir government is continuous? Of course, that's government.
Then let me land first. Let me land first. No, what was?
But be for free, you know.
Let me land first.
Okay.
Can you allow me to land?
First free.
Government is continuous in that they ever 2 years twice. There wasn't any project NDCIA jato ho. No more can E-blocks. E-blocks there twice. The only one I to me air Drobonso. Now correct from Drobonso to Baby E-block 7.5 kilometers. Now collaborating a bit me free Drobonso. I call day school, community day school.
And
even now 50. And you try say the boarding house account. There will be enemy position. Even boarding house there they count. So main support to say enye senior high school. That school was here used as research institute and penifone better now. Yes, a day or honor. Enrudu. A bia kwa ni wa yedin chance aboso. Block da crazy one.
Yemma yana meka.
Enti was here twice. You media for. When was some pushy young politicians the obeto no twice.
And that's why
but ya hwe ne ko angle no amoko na na mam ya afia ho adi. Tini e ba ye to ani nyina so.
Angle be na me pese.
Say the call say e was all kan nko. How can you say nko?
Sorry, yeah.
How can you say nko?
No, not necessarily say nko. Most of
I was say party no ye nko. How can you say
me tell what some na see you.
Say o see MPP men kan MPP di nko. How can we be no kan MPP di nko?
Me some no net here. And na ye kan e ba
me MPP aye.
Good.
And na de e beto ya and I'm say Ghana for security ye to aso.
Exactly. Me de na yen hwe COVID-19 and 70 and ma agenda 1 buy you.
Exactly.
Se na agenda enye bia COVID a menyi ni senke bia ban be ka say or co venture into that that number.
What I see is in every problem there's inherent opportunity to develop. Hwe wunya problem na want me and trans and dream who am pekwan be solve problem no advance here then you failed.
You can grow.
Exactly. And the problem bar out of the problem you study it will bring us some problems. So our problems will give you opportunity to develop. And until America say we a COVID-19 induced project A2 infectious diseases treatment and containment center.
Infectious disease nursing. Now say 3. And 2. Excellent. What I mean is say instead say be yes COVID induced projects and a buy and a 18 granted. It could have been say you even need 18 but government may teach you say a month for and I always say I salute Nanado how he handled COVID. But to say nationwide and I say agenda 111 I was trying to 18 and 18 ya mu 2 na ya mu 2 out of 18 now ka percent
time we start here
and to time ninti.
Yes.
Why would you venture into 18 projects and you wouldn't
anti district ben and you
and now once
district ben you and can be an
man can't just say before now what would you do now
district ben
16 na kano 60 na aka no
district ben and kenyin free Washington region
60 na aka no why we
ansa we ansa ya
me ntimi kan just say yibi
district ben
you proposed the 18 na person wo ye
wo na also ka say na ni see start 18 no enti hwan na kenyin free
two na so wonim say wontimi nyi bi free mu there it means that you have that ayise mewie ananya sa
buachi
nana
na me ka say mention all over the world aban bia ni ho say me ka ban not aban as general ban aban as government party be in the lead obia ni ho ba betena so adwuma obehyasie nyina obewi ansa no ebi si wiase da
me no ya adwene papa
da ma me nkyerɛw central market da bi NDC for the ebom hosamrahi ye ba afa no 50 something percent ye ne beto aso wie ye wie 2020 ya nya to ho oba and you say rombe cafe ye share phase 2 na say ya anwi no o mbeja to wana is that what we are saying
they say na o ka say